Let's draw pumpkin fear. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start by making the pumpkin. Fear is a very funny and entertaining character, don't you think? Very good. You are doing a good job. Now we are going to draw the nose. His nose is quite big, don't you think? Now we are going to draw his eyes, which have a bit of a worried look. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of these fantastic drawings. Then we will make his nose, which is very big, and his mouth. And finally, we will draw his body. Fear is very polite and elegant. It's time to paint. It's my favorite part. Light purple. Red wine is a very elegant color. It is like a red with a touch of purple. What a fun drawing! You draw very well.